From FXCOINZ, this is Chris Lewis taking a look at crude oil and natural gas. The light sweet crude oil market has fallen during the trading session here on Tuesday as we continue to see a lot of overhead pressure. This does make a certain amount of sense considering that right now we have a massive oversupply of crude oil out there. And despite the fact that we did get sanctions against Russia, that happens all the time. So, market participants came to the conclusion, and rightfully so, that Russia will find a way to get that crude oil to market, just as they have over the last 10 years or so, and through various sanctions have continued to flood the market. The Americans, Russians, and OPEC nations are all flooding the market with supply right now, so it does make a certain amount of sense that in this low economic growth environment, crude oil continues to struggle a bit. This remains a fade the rally type of market from everything I see, with the $55 level being the hard floor and the $60 level above, with the 50-day EMA and the downtrend line both offering resistance. Natural gas gapped higher as we rolled over into the January contract, but has given up those gains. That's not a huge surprise. It's almost t-shirt weather in the northeastern part of the United States right now. As I step outside, it is more spring than winter, but that will change. This is a time of year where you see a lot of demand come back into the market, and I think short-term pullbacks should end up being buying opportunities with the $4.20 level, and then eventually the $4 level offering support. Both of those are areas I'd be looking at and willing to buy on the right hand side of the V pattern on a bounce. This is time of year that I just do not short this market under any circumstances. Quite frankly, the demand will be pretty ferocious at times. A weather report coming out predicting cold weather 6 days down the road can send the markets flying. So you have to be very cautious the next couple of months. Natural gas is a buy only market.